Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So let's get started. In this video, I know it's Christmas. It is coming up to Christmas time and all the things that come with it. Well, as a cleaning business owner, this is one of the best times to absolutely get some business. So if you have just gotten started and you have not done a contract, trust me, this is one of those where you can do a one-time project that can end up in a contract, because January is right around the corner and a lot of people are looking to get rid of the contracts they signed the year before. So this is a time that you can dive right in, and if you're doing a good job, if you're being vigilant and you're looking at what's available, you can absolutely snag a contract and get started. So these are some things you can do to actually scale your business during the holidays. You don't even have to only do residential, but if you are doing residential, of course you want to get that list. You probably know your neighbors. You can do a really pretty flyer showing what you're going to offer to come in and clean and get them ready for their Christmas parties. A lot of people still may not be going out because of the pandemic, and this would be a great thing you can offer. You can do carpet services. You can do upholsteries. You can do draperies. You can do floors. You can do specializing in restrooms. So many things you can do in residential. Absolutely. Now let's look at commercial. What can we do with commercial? So some of the things you can do with commercial are you can package and bundle. You can package it together where you're doing like 3 cleanings of the area, the walls. You can do specialized cleaning when it comes to, like the vent or the actual ceiling fans. Or you can look at going in and doing the upholsteries inside of a commercial building. Or you can also go in, do their floors and their carpets. But a lot of people want you to specialize in the conference room because that's where they have a lot of parties. Or they may want you to specialize and really concentrate on the break room. Or they may want you to come in and clean up after the party. So start putting out information, do some holiday pictures and photos of you cleaning. Let them know. I cannot emphasize enough. I get so many phone calls about people that say that they want them to price their services so low. Well, if everything sounds the same, if you're doing the same thing, then of course the only thing they're going to be able to focus on is the price. So never, ever, ever let it be where it comes down to the price. Absolutely show them that by allowing you to clean, you're going to do 2 things significantly well. You're going to save them time, and you need to demonstrate that. And you're going to save them money, and you need to demonstrate that. Those are the results that your cleaning customers are interested in. Just that, time and money. And during the holiday season, like I said, it is a fantastic time to stretch your stuff, to offer some specialties, to bundle it together, to give them discounts, to really drive it home. And whatever you do, deliver really big, because this could end up being a year-long contract. So remember that. And if there's some other things that you love, please, please, please like the video. And you can also email me to let me know, or call me to let me know if there's any content that you'd like for me to cover on my channel. So you can reach me at 407, and you can reach me at 986-8228. So 407-986-8228. And or you can email me at support SUPPORT at cleaning KLENING services.com, or support at cleaningcourses.com. So forget services. I want it to come directly to us. So send it to support SUPPORT at cleaning KLENING courses.com. We will get back to you. Just let us know if there's something you'd like for us to put in our videos that's going to help you do what? Scale your business. That's right. So I look forward to seeing you at one of my free masterclasses. Those are events I have left in the description. Please click on and visit me for my government course, where I show you everything you need to do so you don't have to do any bidding and you can win some government contracts, and where I show you what you need to do to get commercial contracts, which is going to help. Because I'm telling you, the new year is coming, and that is when a lot of people are looking to do cleaning. They're looking to sign those contracts. So So if you've ever wanted to get a chance to do a first contract, this could be it. So I look forward to seeing you. Until next time, take care and be safe. Bye-bye.